Okay guys, so got another airsoft gun. This is by Smith Wesson. It's a M&P 40. This is the case it came in. 325 feet per second. Wasn't anything real fancy. Here's the actual gun. Pretty cool, I guess. The top is clear. The rest of it is in color. Haven't taken the sticker off yet. As you can see here, Smith & Wesson. M&P 40. I do like this grip here. Actually feels like a real grip from a handgun. I mean, you can tell it's plastic obviously, but it actually feels like a real grip. Clip. We've got different ones in there. I counted it and I think it holds 12 shots. And then in the back here, this opens up and you can actually carry more in there and then just dump them out, I guess. At least I think that's what it's for. That's what I've been using it for. Anyway, so you clip goes in, cock it back, and we'll just shoot this box real quick. So yeah, you know, I just, the other one I had before this was actually an electronic gun, full auto by Crossman. It was Undead Apocalypse, and it was supposed to shoot up to 200 feet per second, but waste of money, guys. Don't even spend your money on it. This thing is way more powerful, and you know, that Undead one just broke the second time I used it. Wouldn't fire anymore. So for not, you know, just spring powered gun, this is actually pretty dang good. Maybe I'll take it outside and show some shooting videos or something. So yeah. Okay guys, so here's our shooting video for this. Go ahead and let's see if we can line this up through the camera. Alright, you couldn't see it. This fence I'm shooting to is roughly I don't know, 40 to 50 feet away. Kind of doesn't look like it in the camera here because it has like an automatic zoom, so it kind of zooms in. Like this pole that you're seeing here on the left, that pole there is already about 4 or 5 feet in front of the camera. So it does kind of have a zoom. It kind of looks like the pole is only just right off to the side, but really it's about 4 or 5 feet. So we're shooting about 40-50 feet to the fence there. And actually, I'm going to zoom in here, see if you guys can see this. Loosen this up. I can't even see it here. Oh wait. There it is, right there. See all those? That's from me today shooting the wood with airsoft. Yeah, so, and see, my dog out there is deciding to eat them. Anyway, so like I said, the fence is about 40 to 50 feet away, and the ricochet from it is coming all the way back to as far as me. So in total, it's shooting anywhere from 80 to 100 feet. And that's, take into consideration, you're losing a lot of power once it hits the fence and has to ricochet back. See, that one hit that, and then it hit this side fence and landed right next to me. Oh, I'm out of ammo, I think. I am out of ammo. Alright, well, since I'm out of ammo, I just want to unhook this camera here and put this gun in my pocket here. Sorry guys, the camera's kind of all over the place right now, trying to adjust things with my hands here. And let's get this on my hand now. Make it... Okay, so this is what it's doing to my fence here. Let's see, where is it? That one there. It actually has a pretty good... I lost it. Has a pretty good impression. You can't really see it, but it actually goes in probably about half the distance of the airsoft pellet. It goes in about halfway. Oh, this one, it's hard to figure out which one is what. This one here. That one also has a pretty good impression in it. Anyway, that's what that gun does, so yeah, pretty good. This one up here is actually a really good impression. Try and get an angle so you can see. And it's hard to see. But yeah, so that's what it does. And my dog is down here sniffing around and eating them. So enjoy the guns. If you decide to get it, cool. If not, oh well. For the money, it's a pretty good gun. For this handgun, I think it was $15 at Walmart. Not a bad price.